Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be taking you through Open Broadcast Software, or OBS. It's an amazing recording one. This one is the beta one, this one is the main version. But for this purpose, I'm going to go through the main version one because it's the best. But I am using the beta version one, as you can see here. This is the beta one. They do both update, and this is the main version one, what I will be taking you through. So, main things first is that, let me quickly do. So you need to add a scene. So add your scene and it will pop up with this, and you just add whatever you want to call it. I'm going to call it YouTube just to show you guys. Yours would come up with the screen that I just had before, but it's because I've got an extra one it doesn't, and I'll show you what it would look like later. So I'm just quickly going to go through these. So yep, as you can read them off, I would be saying them, but I don't want to say them all. So this one is display catcher. Display catcher is good as it captures your whole screen. Window catcher, that just captures your internet. You got game catcher if you're playing games on the PC, that will capture your PC games. Video catcher is if you have a webcam, and yeah, it keeps it. So go ahead and add display catcher if you're on your computer and you want to do walkthroughs like this. And there we go. So that's the main thing that you need. It shows you what you need, and that is how you do it. So you go down to settings here, nothing happens, it'll just pop up that. But there is a settings, let me click OK. There's a settings on the side that you'll see where it says start streaming, start recording, settings, exit. There is a settings there, and this is all the things that it comes up with on the settings. It's a great help. So first things first, you have your stream. You can go Twitch, you can go on YouTube, anything you want. Okay, output is if you're not streaming and you want to keep it simple. You have simple or advanced. That's so you can change your video bit rate. So I would say probably the maximum you can go up to is 10,000 depending on your computer. I'm going to keep it on 2,500 because my computer isn't great for recording and stuff, but it does the job. So this is where you say where you want your file to get saved to. I'm saving it to YouTube bits, so that's the folder it should go into. Here's where you can pick your quality. So you have high quality, medium file size, industrial, or whatever it says, and lucid code. So I will just keep it on the highest as possible for your computer because that is the best. And it's got best. And you always have to click apply. If you don't click apply, it won't go. So you have audio. Audio you don't really need to mess around with that much because it's all set out, but unless you have channels, you have mono or stereo, it's up to you which one you want to pick, because I just keep it on stereo just because I like to keep it simple. You don't need to change that much. Video, so if you want to do HD, well, actually first of all you can render to two different places. If you know what Oplen GL is, go ahead, you use that. I keep it at the same. So basis you keep the same basically because that's always fine. If you have to downscale, you can downscale. It's got a massive list, so that one's 720. So that's what you can use on YouTube. But yeah, you've got loads of different types, but keep the highest possible. And then you have your frames per second. I have 30 frames per second when I'm recording my desktop stream, just because you don't need it much higher than that. But if you're recording a game, don't be hesitate to go to 60 frames per second. So you have your hotkeys here. Hotkeys, they are useful sometimes if you're playing a game. You can press a button and it can start recording, press a button to end. Usually when I'm playing a game, I just have one to start the game, not end, just in case I click it. And then yeah, you have advanced. You don't really need to go through that, so that doesn't really matter. And yeah, guys, that is basically Open Broadcast Software, OBS for short. I hope this has helped you guys. So yeah, you start with streaming, start recording, and that is all you need to know really. That's everything you need to know for this free software. Guys, please check out my YouTube channel. I have other how-to-dos, but I am going to start uploading gaming things such as Call of Duty and other games such as FIFA and stuff like that. But if you have anything that you want to ask me, as in like if you want me to make a how-to, I'm happy to do that. Leave it in the comments. Please subscribe and like, and yeah, thank you.